Listen and practice.
I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. I take a shower after exercising. I take a shower after exercising. I get dressed quickly. I get dressed quickly. I eat breakfast at the table. I eat breakfast at the table. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. I check my emails in the morning. I check my emails in the morning. I attend meetings every week. I attend meetings every week. I take a break at 10 a.m. I take a break at 10 a.m. I have lunch with my colleagues. I have lunch with my colleagues. I finish work at 5 p.m. I finish work at 5 p.m. I cook dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family. I watch TV in the evening. I watch TV in the evening. I read a book before bed. I read a book before bed. I go to bed at 11 p.m. I go to bed at 11 p.m. I exercise 3 times a week. I exercise 3 times a week. I do laundry on Sundays. I do laundry on Sundays. I clean the house every Saturday. I clean the house every Saturday. I go grocery shopping once a week. I go grocery shopping once a week. I take out the trash every evening. I take out the trash every evening. I feed the pets in the morning. I feed the pets in the morning. I make the bed every day. I make the bed every day. I help my children with their homework. I help my children with their homework. I call my friends on the weekend. I call my friends on the weekend. I plan my week on Sunday. I plan my week on Sunday. I listen to music while working. I listen to music while working. I practice my hobby every evening. I practice my hobby every evening. I do yoga in the morning. I do yoga in the morning. I go for a walk in the park. I go for a walk in the park. I drink water throughout the day. I drink water throughout the day. I watch a movie on Friday night. I watch a movie on Friday night. I visit my family on holidays. I visit my family on holidays. I do some gardening on weekends. I do some gardening on weekends. I practice English language every day. I practice English language every day. I write in my journal at night. I write in my journal at night. I check the news every morning. I check the news every morning. I plan my meals for the week. I plan my meals for the week. I organize the closet every few months. I organize the closet every few months. I volunteer at the local shelter. I volunteer at the local shelter. I take care of the garden in spring. I take care of the garden in spring. I do a puzzle on rainy days. I do a puzzle on rainy days. I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day. I prepare for the next day the night before. I prepare for the next day the night before. I reflect on my day before sleeping. I reflect on my day before sleeping. I celebrate special occasions with my family. I celebrate special occasions with my family. I take a day off every few months. I take a day off every few months. I go to the gym after work. I go to the gym after work. I take a nap in the afternoon. I take a nap in the afternoon. I reflect on my goals every month. I reflect on my goals every month.
Now, try to read out loud. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.